Hey, hi all. Welcome back to another exciting vlog. This time I am taking you along on my journey from Hyderabad to Pune. And our destination, it's none other than Bhigwan. Now, this is my second time visiting this place. And honestly, it never gets old. My main goal on this trip is to capture some incredible wildlife, especially the mammals, raptors, and harriers of Bhigwan, as it is known for. So sit back and relax. Enjoy this mesmerizing trip. I reached Bhigwan late in the morning, and after a quick break and checking into the hotel, I hopped in for a second half of the drive to the Kadbanwadi grassland. These grasslands are about 30 kilometers away from Kranti Flamingo Point, where I was staying. After completing the necessary formalities at the entrance, we were finally ready to explore the area. The Kadbanwadi grasslands are pretty vast, and you can just feel the excitement of what's to come. Not long into our exploration, we made our first sighting, a female pallid harrier, which was busy hunting for food in the tall grass. These birds are amazing hunters, always on the move, constantly scanning for the prey. Next, we spotted something truly unexpected, a fox who was just sitting there in the grass. And it wasn't alone, it was actually calling its mate. You can hear the mating call here in the following clip. Then it saw us and then quickly vanished into the grass. Then our guide Mr. Ranjit spotted something incredible. A stephy eagle perched on a dead tree. We had to move quickly, so I grabbed my gear and we rushed over to get some closer look. A different perspective of the stephy eagle just by moving from the place I was. As we moved on, we spotted a short-toed snake eagle sitting high on a hill. We were careful not to spook it, slowly approaching to get some good close-up shots. Then we saw a pair of chestnut-bellied sandrows. As the sun was setting, we saw a male pallid harrier roosting after a busy day of hunting. It was a peaceful moment watching this beautiful bird settling down for the night. Such a serene sight, and it's the moments like this that make all the efforts worth it. As the night approached, we saw our fox again, getting busy as these animals are nocturnal. We only got a quick glimpse before it disappeared back into the grass. And just when we thought the day was over, we spotted a jungle cat on our way back. It seemed to be waiting patiently for something. And then we realized a local hawker drops off chicken waste for the animals as he heads home. This jungle cat waited for the hawker to pass, grabbed its share, and then disappeared back into the night. It was such a unique sight, the perfect end for an amazing day. So that wraps up day 1 here at Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary. It's been an incredible day and I'm already looking forward for tomorrow's adventure. Hopefully we get even more exciting sightings in the part 2. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in day 2 video.